I was tasked to discuss leadership. Of course, I said yes. Kasi sa tagal-tagal ko naman na nagtatrabaho since 1987, I'd like to share with you what I have seen from not ordinary leaders. I'm blessed and I'm lucky to witness how leaders from government, kagaya nila Senator JB, hindi dahil kaharap siya, Senator JB is a very decent senator and we're happy kahit taga-customs kami. Very objective si Senator JB once we present to him the things that we need from him to support our reformation and transformation of the Bureau. So I'm blessed to see the different levels of leadership from business, government, even religious leaders. And I've seen few common characteristics that I'd like to share with you that perhaps you as the leaders nitong ating mga negosyo dito sa Malabon and even outside of our city. So there are 5 things that I've seen among all other things that are common to great, significant leaders in politics, government, business, again, even religious leaders. Number 1, kitang-kita ko sa kanila, they really work hard. Siguro lahat kayo ganun, but if you want to become exemplary leaders, pangalawa, I see compassion, genuine compassion in them. Talagang sila makikita ninyo, hindi japeks, ano? Pagkakain, makikita niyo small things, ika nga, they eat last. Tinitignan muna nila yung mga tauhan nila if they're settled down. Tinitingnan nila kung may problema talaga yung kanilang mga tauhan. Genuine care, compassion with their people. Pangatlo, these great leaders don't bulge, don't compromise their principles. Pwede ka maging flexible, paminsan-minsan, but there are principles that you cannot really sacrifice. So when I was asked by the President, how did we do it? I said, simple mathematics, boss. Tama ang iyong computation, tama ang iyong collection. Paano namin ginagawa? Kahit na ano pa ang tukso ng pera sa aming mga empleyado, palagay ko, takot sa akin ng konti dahil taga Malabon ako eh. Di ba? Sa customs, may pagmamali ko. Not yet perfect, but customs is now a bit better than yesterday. And then fourth, of course, great leaders are dreamers. They are visionaries. They're not contented kung ano yung kanilang kumpanya ngayon. They're not contented kung ano yung agency nila ngayon. PFAR, DTI. Leaders are dreamers. They have to define. You have to define. Saan nyo ba gustong leaders are dreamers? They have to define. You have to define. Saan nyo ba gustong gawin yung dalhin yung inyong mga kumpanya? Saan yung vision for your group? I have defined what I want BOC to become once I leave as commissioner. Again, totoo to. Produkto ako ng St. James. Produkto ako ng Malabon. Dito ako pinanganak. Dito ako lumaki. Hindi ko ipapaya yung bayan natin. Magdasal ka sa traffic, paggising mo, bago ka matulog, lahat ng pagkakataon, pray. It will bring a lot of difference in your life. So the fifth trait that I've seen with great leaders, they pray. Kanya-kanya siguro tayong pananampalataya. Of course, kami, Catholics, no? We're not saints. But prayers really would bring a lot of improvements in your organization.